Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and the other day I made some arty labels, little paint labels with you guys, and I had tons of questions asking me in the comments, like how would I use them? So I'm going to show you today how I use them. Okay, so let's get started. So I have a glue stick and labels that I just did some paint on, and I'll make sure to put that on the end screen. You guys can check out how I did this. You can get caught up with us. And what I'm using is 6x6 cardstock. So just any kind of like cardstock that you have that you don't really, care about the pattern on the front or anything like that, or if you just have some 6x6 like this, just get those out and you can use them up and we'll do something fun with it. All right. So the reason I have a glue stick is in case when you did your labels and they've sat for a while, they lose their stick. Like if you have too much water go through it or anything like that, like when you're doing the paints and stuff on it. So it's nice to have a glue stick just in case to reinforce them when we put them down onto our cardstock. Okay, so we're pretty much making a master board with them. So let's start with one here. Okay. I think mine might be sticky enough. So you just take them off. And we're just going to down. I'm just trying to line it up as good as I can. Just start taping them down. I mean, really, just take them off of here. Stick them. And the reason mine's curling up like this is because when I didn't have the patience and let it dry with the air, I used my heat gun, so that made it curl up a little bit. Oh yeah, these definitely still have a stick. So if yours don't have a stick to them, then go ahead and use your glue stick to put them down. But if they do, I mean, this is just really convenient. Like this. Put them every which way that you want. And this is just so much fun. This is just a fun and easy way to do master boards. Okay, so now with this one, go ahead and line it up like this. Little snip, save that. Okay. So it's as easy as that, guys. Okay, so now we got this, and we're going to look at it and go, okay, well, let's see. Because this would be great for journal cards, because you can write on the back of them. Anything like that. Excuse me. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut out different sizes here. Don't really need to think about it too much. We'll do the one in the middle a little thicker. Like that. And there we go. So we got 3 different sizes here. Now, let me grab a paper clip, and I'll show you guys how to do a paper clip with one of these. A little paper clip, little additive to the side of your page. So I went ahead and I got a paper clip. And what we can do here, fold it in half. This is just great to use up some of their fun labels and things. I'll show you what labels I use. And I'll make sure to put it down in my Amazon links below. But this is what they are. And they're just the little labels that you saw that I was taking off. So I think they're like 4x2 or something like that, roughly. Okay, so I got my paper, or my little cardstock here, folded in half. And then you're going to take the small part, the little part of the paper clip, and put it on the inside and leave that one on the outside. in here. And I just have some Fabrifix glue. Do a glue down. We can go ahead, and if it's uneven or anything, we can just do a little snip here. And these are fun just to clip onto your journals. Clip on the back here. And you could leave it just as simple as that if you want. Or I have my ephemera pack here of Tim Holtz. It's just the field notes. So, you can just come in here. This is a great way to do some fun collage. See, this is just a half circle that I cut out of another piece of scrapbook that seemed to be in there. So you could just set like some stuff down. So you can either leave it the way it is with the painty paper, just as easy as that, or you can add a couple of fun touches here. However you want to do it. Oh. And what I have here is our magazine journal that we've been working on. I'll make sure to put this on the end screen. You guys can come check it out. Got a whole just little series of it, of putting this together. But what we can do is just clip right onto your journal, just like that. So that's a fun, easy thing that you can do with your labels. Okay. Now, another thing you could do, let's do it with this one. We'll get our journal back out. And we can make a belly band. Let's go ahead and put that same page here. Do a little glue down. So this is definitely something you can do. My glue is clogged today. I just changed the lid and cleaned it all out too, but darn it. One of those things, huh? Glue it. Each end here. On it. Okay. Same thing. So if you want to keep it just like that, it's ready to go. I mean, you already got everything done and stamped and fun little paint and all that stuff on it. But if you want to jazz it up a little bit, go through, see what you got, and you can just add to it. Just take it and there. And then I also have the curator. Little stuff in here. This is just a great way to go through and use up your stuff and do some collaging. Set them however you want. Just like that. Alright, so I'm just going to take it and glue all this down. Just go through, see what you got. Add some fun things to it. And voila. We got ourselves a belly band. Let me find something fun to put inside of there. Okay, so I just went and grabbed just some papers that I have here. Some fun little ephemera. As much as you want in there. And also, if you guys want to, you can use a sticker. This is just a washi sticker. I'm just using a needle to try to, these are a pain in the butt sometimes. There we go. Got it. Just say you want to, to add a little interest somewhere. I'm going to go off the page, so I have to cut a little bit off. So a belly band is definitely something you guys can make. And then, just add some fun little things to it if you want. So that's another thing you can make with your labels. Your little artsy labels. Okay, and the last thing I want to show you guys is, let's do a journal card. Okay. I think I'm going to cut it about like that. And then these would be great to fold, and you could do more with the paper clip on the back and stuff. So these are extras. You can definitely use that for. So I want to make a journal card. There's just a little bit of the cardstock showing through here. I'm just going to cut that part off. So you can do that. I want to round the corners. I have coffee all over it. That's funny. Must have been coffee dyeing something with it around. So I'm just going to round the corners. Optional. These are just, of course, I'm just giving you guys ideas here. You'd think I would be prepared, right? Okay, so we got, this is just a crocodile, and I'm going to do the 3/16 hole at the top here. And apparently I'm making this a tag now, not a journaling card. So either way, you can make this a journaling card or a tag, or, whatever you want to make with it. Any kind of thing like that. I mean, and these are just ideas for sure. And you can even take this over to your sewing machine and do some interest sewing all the way around it. That's always a great option. Okay, so we got that. And then I just have some fun fabric here. I can pop to the top. And don't worry if it's not long enough to tie. You can just take it. I'm going to turn this way. There we go. You can just take your stapler. Pop the staple in there. Let's make it simple. These are just quick, easy, fun things you can do. I even have some fabric tape here, just the Tim Holtz fabric tape. So I'm going to pop a piece off of there. Great to add to all kinds of just collage, journal covers. I mean, they're really nice. They're sturdy, they're sticky. You don't have to worry about adding anything to it, like glue, stick, or anything like that. So, interest. Okay. And then once again, you can use your little pieces you have around. And then I have the Tim Holtz paper dolls here. Let's see which one. Probably not a big one. Let's see if I can find a smallish one. Little paper doll. I'm going to use one of these little guys. Okay. You can put him down. And really, you don't really need to add much more. Just pop him down like this. There you go. You got yourselves a bag. Easy as that. So now we can take it. Guy in here. We'll peek him out this way. We can pop him in there, and then we got ourselves a journal spread just by using up our labels. So I hope you guys found this informational, and if you could please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell on you guys to see my next video when I post it, like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. And keep on crafting.